Yeah, it was great, and I mean, Sasha has helped me a lot, the driving instructor. He's really good, and I advise you guys to work with him and learn with him. He's really, really good. He will help you from the beginning until you pass your test.
Thank you.
It was perfect.
Really? How was?
Yes. How was no mess, no troubles, no nothing, thanks to you. Because you're a great instructor, I would recommend you highly. Because you're a really helpful person. And you're the reason I have this now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, how was your test?
My test was marvelous. I had a great time. The examiner was good, very helpful. And my instructor, oh, lovely. My instructor, Sashi, amazing.
Thank you.
He took me through all the final tips and I got it. Thank you, Sashi.
Thank you. How was your test, Daniel?
I passed my driving test. I just want to give a big thank you to Sasha and Wimbledon Southwest Driving School for helping me pass my test.
Thank you
so much.
Test?
It was really good, thank you. I passed first time and I thought I'd fail, but obviously Sasha, great teacher, he got me through it, so yeah, I'm really happy. Thank you, Sasha. Cheers.
Thank you. So, how was your test?
It was fantastic. It was quite easy with all the little things you told me to remember. Yes, delighted. Thank you so much, Sasha, and London Driving School.
Thank you. So, Stephen, how was your test?
It's very good. Passed first time. Really like to say thank you to Sasha because his confidence building and going through all the manoeuvres and everything really got me up to speed with everything. I passed with 10 lessons. Very happy. Great value for money. Would recommend to absolutely everyone.
Thank you. How was your test?
Very good. I passed first time with 3 minors. I'm very proud of my instructor Sasha. He's helped me through this. We went through everything about 1 million times before I took my test, and thankfully got the result I wanted.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, how was your test?
Perfect! I passed! Thank you, Sasha. You're the best. You're the best driving teacher.
Thank you very much. How was your test, Rebecca?
Amazing. Thank you, Sasha. So good, so professional all the time.
So, Sebastian, how was your test?
It was very, very good. I passed first time. Thank you very, very much to Sasha for helping me out, making me pass first time.
Thank you.
It was amazing. Thank you, Sasha. Thank you very much. I nailed it.
Thank you. So, how was your test, Matt?
Yeah, great. Passed first time, and thanks to Sasha, he really helped me out. Did a great job, and really recommend him.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was very good. Passed first time, thanks to Sasha, and it was great driving with him. Brilliant, had fun times, and yeah, couldn't have asked for a better driving teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
My test was great, thanks to Sasha, his advices. He said, look up front, that's exactly what I did, follow his advice all the time. Great teacher.
Thank you. How was your test, Holly?
It was really good. The driving instructor was lovely. We didn't do any reverse parallel park, but we did a lot of pull up on the left. We also did pull up on the right and reverse two cars back. What else did we do? Oh, it was raining a little bit, so he asked me to use my windscreen wiper, so that's something to bear in mind. It was quite busy. There was a lot of traffic this morning, so I had to do a lot of clutch control and be wary of children, bikes, people. I had to be very observational. But all in all, it was a very good test. And my driving instructor, Sasha, was amazing. Couldn't have done it without him.
Thank you, thank you. So, how was your test?
So I've just passed. I made one mistake. I want to say thank you to Sasha, who was my instructor, and London Driving School for helping me get through this. So thank you.
Okay, how was your test?
My test, it went very well. Mr. Sasha, I can't recommend him enough. He done very, very well in helping me. I picked up a lot of bad habits, driving with friends, driving at work. I picked up a lot of bad habits, and what Mr. Sasha done, he rectified all of these faults, and I passed first time. So, yeah, like I said, I can't recommend him enough. To be honest, I'm just surprised that I passed. Bit lost for words, but yeah, once again, thank you, Mr. Sasha. Very much appreciated.
So, how was your test?
Hi, I passed my test the first time. I'm so happy. And you know, Sasha and the London driving school, he helped me a lot. I had classes last Saturday and this morning as well, and he gave me a lot of tips, very important tips to pass my test. And during the test, it was really good. I had a little, I think it was a minor mistake, but I mean, nothing is perfect, you know. But I'm glad I passed. Thank you, Sasha, for your help. You're very helpful, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was good. It was Sasha gave me a few tips before and helped me out a lot. I was a bit nervous, but I got it done. And yeah, thanks to Sasha's help.
Well done, boss. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. How was your test?
Good. Passed first time. Thank you, London Driving School. Thank you, Sasa. Pleasure working with you, and it was yeah, great first time. Easy. Very good instructor.
Thank you.
Yeah, highly recommend it.
No worries, boss. Good luck to you.
Hi, my name's Michael, and as you can see, I've got all smiles because I just passed my test. Well, done my test at 10 past 8. Wow, I advise quite a lot of people to do that. The reason why is because I was sitting in traffic most of the time, loving it. You know, 20 minutes in, still in traffic, and I thought, yeah, this is it. I just have to do my maneuvers. But I was really confident. Sasha's my instructor, and you know, he's put a lot of effort into my lessons. He's not a lousy driver, instructor. He just, you know, he really wants you to pass as quick as possible, unlike other drivers. So yeah, my maneuvers was great. Driving was great. London Driving School is great. Sasha is great. All the other instructors that are part of the company are great, and I advise all of you guys to take lessons with at least one of them. Once again, I passed.
Very well. I passed on the first time. With Sasha. He's the best to drive with the Sasha. He's brilliant. He's the best instructor ever. It's good experience with him. Very good. Yeah.
Beautiful, and I wanted to make a comment to Mr. Sasha. London Driving School is one of the best. I couldn't drive before, and now I passed my test today, which is 18th of February, and I'm really pleased, happy, over the moon. Yes.
Thank you. How was your test?
It was good. Yeah. Good practice. Everything was fine. So I could get my license. And London Driving School is a perfect place to practice because it really gives the opportunity to take your license from the first try.
Thank you.
It was fine. I got like 8 minors because I was nervous and I fluffed. I forgot how indicators worked at one point. Other than that, it went okay. It was fine. Oh, and you know, Sasha, I had his voice in my head telling him he would beat me with a spoon if I didn't pass this time. But yeah, really good. I'm really glad that I chose London Driving School because they got me through super fast.
Thank you.